Let us begin with the new chapter, lines and angles. Let us move on to the new theorem now. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The statement says sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. For that, we need a triangle and we are supposed to prove that sum of the measures of the three angles, because the triangle has three angles, is 180 degree. So let us consider a triangle. So here is a triangle for you. This triangle, triangle PQR. Forget about the lower triangle as of now. Just concentrate on this triangle, triangle PQR. How many angles does this triangle PQR has? This PQR has three angles, right? Angle P, angle Q, angle R. Then we are supposed to prove that the sum of angle P, angle Q and angle R is 180 degree. That is, it is given that there is a triangle PQR, and to prove that angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree, we need to do one construction. So observe this figure now. So what is the construction that we have made? We have drawn one line passing through point P and parallel to QR. Let us name this line as line L. So we can say that our construction part is through P, draw a line L parallel to QR. Now what happens? As we draw a line passing through point P and parallel to QR, two more angles are formed. Which are the two more angles formed? Angle 4 and angle 5. You can see here angle 4 and angle 5 has been formed over here. Okay, now we'll start with the proof. So we know that line L is parallel to QR now. On the left side you can see a Z formation over here. So the formation is like this. There is a Z, this is say line L and this is QR over here. So here I know, here I am having my angle 4 and down over here I'm having my angle 2. I can say that my angle 4 and angle 2 both are equal because there are alternate interior angles. So I can say angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Similarly, if I consider the right side, if I consider this reverse Z like this, I have angle 5 over here and I have angle 3 down over here. So I can say angle 5 and angle 3 are also equal because again they are alternate interior angles. So I say angle 5 is equal to angle 3, right? Now what I'm doing is I'm adding both of them. If I add both of them, what am I going to get? I'll get angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 5. Now, we were supposed to prove that sum of measures of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is, we are supposed to prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 should be equal to 180 degree. So in this step, if you observe properly, I got angle 2 and angle 3 both. Which one is missing? Angle 1 is missing. So to get angle 1 over here, what I am doing is adding angle 1 on both sides. So if I add angle 1 on both sides, this is what we'll get. 2 plus 3 is already over here. We have added angle 1. 4 plus 5 is already in its position. We have added angle 1. So this is called adding angle 1 on both sides. Now observe properly. The right hand side, that is this part, what am I going to get? Angle 1, which is over here, plus angle 4, which is over here, plus angle 5. What will be the total of angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5? This we have done in the previous slides as well. Angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 will be equal to 180 degree because anyways we are going to get this straight line L because of these three angles. When we add these three angles, we'll get line L. Therefore, that will be equal to 180 degree. In the next step, I can write down as angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Because the sum of angles at a point on a line is 180. I'm just replacing this angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 by 180 degree. The next step I can say, just look into this step, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to, instead of this we have written 180. So we have proved it that sum of measures of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Let us move on to the next theorem. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. Now for that again I need a triangle. Suppose there is triangle PQR. Exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle means angle which lies outside the triangle if one of its sides is extended. So the side QR is extended further Therefore, we get one exterior angle, that is angle 4 over here. So this angle 4, we get exterior angle. So this angle 4 over here is exterior angle for this triangle, and we are supposed to prove that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its remote interior angles. Remote interior angles. Now try to understand what is the meaning of remote interior angles. There are total 3 interior angles: angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. All 3 are remote interior angles. But angle 3, which lies exactly besides angle 4, is called as adjacent interior angle. So angle 3 is nothing but adjacent interior angles. So which two angles remain? Angle 1 and angle 2. They remain. Then angle 1 and angle 2 are said to be remote interior angles. So angle 3 is not remote interior angle. Angle 3 is adjacent interior angle, and angle 1 and angle 2 are remote interior angles. And we are supposed to prove that this exterior angle is equal to sum of the remote interior angles. So first of all, it is given that in triangle PQR, I can say angle PRS is the exterior angle, that is angle 4. Now we are supposed to prove that this angle PRS, that is angle 4, is equal to angle P plus angle Q, which are remote interior angles. Let us start with the proof now. We know that sum of measures of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can say that angle P plus angle Q plus angle R, I can clearly say angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. So angle P plus Q plus R is 180. But I know that angle P plus Q plus R means I can say angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180 degree because of angle sum property. Now I can also say that angle 3 and angle 4. Observe angle 3 and angle 4. They are like this. Angle 3 is over here. Angle 4 is over here. Now what do they form? They form linear pair. So I can say that angle 3 plus angle 4 is also equal to 180 degree. I can say the right hand side is equal. Therefore the left hand side is also equal. So the next step I can write down angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 4. So clearly angle 3 and angle 3 gets cancelled. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Hence we have proved it. Observe this step properly. Angle 4 is nothing but PRS. Angle 1 is angle P. Angle 2 is angle Q. So we have proved this.